This question belongs to the topic Subject Engineering Mathematics and was asked in GATE 1991, and the topic name is set theory. So the question states, if the longest chain in a partial order is of length n, then the partial order can be written as dash of antichains. So let me tell you what is an antichain. A subset A of S. We have a set S and we have A as a subset of S. It is called an antichain if no two elements in A is antichain. If no two elements in A are comparable. Okay. Now here what it is given, we have a longest chain in a partial order is of length n. So we have a chain of length n, 1, 2, 3, n. Now if we take a total ordered poset Z on less than equal to containing n elements from 1 to n, then we know every element is comparable to every other element. Yes, every element will be comparable to every other element, and if we take any two of these n, then they will also be comparable. Any two will be comparable, we can compare those two. So we take at most one element in a subset A. As in A, no two elements in A should be comparable, but every element will be comparable in a partial order. So we will take at most one element in a subset A. So the total number of subsets would be n, as each item will come in a separate subset. So we will have n subsets. So basically in a poset, not in a toset, basically in a poset not in totally order, having a chain of length n, no two of these n element can go to the same subset, otherwise it won't be antichain, because no two elements in a subset is comparable is a condition for antichain. So no two of them should go to the same subset, as if they belong to the same subset, then these two will be comparable and hence they won't form an antichain. So at least we will have n different subsets and each subset will have one item. So hence the answer is, if a longest chain of partial order is of length n, then the partial order can be written as a partition of n antichains, and these are disjoint antichains, as each item will go into one antichain. So the answer is partition of n disjoint antichains.